the more licenses you have, the more deployable
Definitely.
you are,
Yeah.
and the more people
Yeah.
you can help.
Why is that, though?
Well, not every state requires a license,
But
you know,
many states
but
do.
a lot of them do.
And that's why you're more deployable, because if there's a claim in Florida and you don't have a license in Florida, then
you're not going to get to work.
you can't get
You can't.
Okay.
You can't help that policyholder, and you're not going to have that work. What I did is I learned from others is, I tried to add or get a license, if not every week, every other week, as I got paid. I tried to make it a point
Wow.
to try to obtain the license.
So you knew
Just
you were
to
going to
build
do
up
this.
Yeah, just because I knew I had the passion. I love helping people, and being able to relate to them, and just try to put them back to where they were. I don't. The destruction of it. I've knock on wood. I haven't had to go through that, but I've seen many folks go through it, and it's just a great feeling helping people and seeing them get back to
How
where
much
they were.
does the test cost? Y'all know?
Every state differs.
So
I
it
know.
can get pretty expensive.
Yeah, it can.
So
Some are 100, some are even more than that. Some are 80. I just helped an adjuster get his license for Florida yesterday. It was $60 just to renew.
just to renew. So you've got to pay to get your license. You've got to pay to get trained to get your license, because it's not that easy to pass. You can't just go in there and just pass it.